a potato. So what happens when you microwave a potato without poking it?
Well, you have to poke.
You're supposed to. Supposedly they might blow up if you don't.
Back up.
Back up too far, but I just didn't want Evan right next to it
Because it blows up.
in case it blows up.
Nothing has happened yet.
Will it blow up
That's what you
that or no?
I think the potato would just blow up.
Uh-huh.
After 30 seconds, nothing yet has
Oh, I
happened.
saw it move.
I'm
What?
nervous now.
Ooh. Yeah, I heard.
I can hear it sizzle.
It's sizzling.
I'm going to do this outside.
I imagine it just going.
It's sizzling. Yep.
Popping.
I'm covering my eyes.
Why you put another minute on it?
Look at it shaking.
Oh my gosh. Look. It's shaking. It was.
Go explode.
It's not going to explode.
If it starts to explode, everybody run!
Hear that?
Sorry, guys. It's like.
So after a minute and a half, it's making lots of noise,
It hasn't blown up yet.
Scaring me.
but no blowing up.
Yeah. Let's let it go full.
We'll give it the full 2 minutes. Hold steady, man.
Can't even see the potato.
Oh, I smell it.
I don't.
I know it.
It,
I kinda. I still smell the soap.
Mm-hmm. Turn back up.
Back up.
smells like potato now.
After 2 minutes, it's sizzle. Look at all that. Look. Did you hear that? It was like.
Mm-hmm.
Is it hot?
It's hot, but it's not
Real?
spectacular. Okay.
Make your own potatoes.
Does it feel like it's hollow?
Make your own baked potatoes. I'm gonna cut these all open.